Every country has its gangsters, and the recent trouble in India was an opportune moment for a tribe of terrorists known as the Hers to run amok in the northwest province of Sindh. The nomadic tribe have traveled down to the outlying towns and villages to perform their deeds of banditry. In search of easy plunder, the Hers swooped down on the Lahore mail train. 22 people were killed when the express was derailed in the disaster near Tandoa Dam Junction. The ruthless tribesmen had started a reign of terror. Headlines then announced martial law. Every corner was to be combed for the perpetrators. Indian police patrolled the streets for the followers of the turbaned saint, their leader. The hue and cry was successful. Although several captures were made, the authorities were determined to stamp out this Ku Klux Klan of the Northwest. The military were called in to seek their mountain hideouts. Troop-carrying planes and paratroops went into action over the treacherous country where the Hers were known to be. And that did the trick. Born of a medieval tribe of assassins, and with a spy system that has a touch of magic about it, the Hers are now under lock and key. So fact is stranger than fiction after all.